All right, WMC, sorry for the delay here, guys. This is the video to find the winner of last week's free $50 break credits for filling 10 breaks in a week. These are all of the non-winning spots from last week. So as you can see in this last one here, number 6 is missing. And this one here, number 4 is missing, and so on and so forth all the way up to the top. So these are all of the non-winning spots per break. 111 entries. We had a lot of one spotters this week, so we didn't remove a lot of people, unfortunately. But we're going to check the time, January 23rd at 6:09 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have January 23rd at 6:09 p.m. There is the list of our 111 unwinning spots. So we're just going to randomize this list, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins the $50 break credit. So we need a dice roll of 3 or higher, or we need 3 dice, must be 8 or higher because of the number of entries. So we have 7, 10. So there we go, 10 times. Here we go, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Travis. Spot 8 is your winner. So Travis, you have a $50 break credit to use as you see fit. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 23rd, 6:10 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow night.